Welcome, welcome. I can see people joining. Welcome to the period man. Welcome to the period man. It's a pleasure to having you today. So today I have a lot in store for us today. First is to greetings to all of you from myself and my family. We want to wish that you are doing well. You've had a very good week, and today we are together here to learn from the period man. And today's topic is hot. You can't afford to miss it. I know we've had a lot of questions throughout the week on my Instagram, on my Twitter, and my Facebook account. People have been getting inbox to me even through WhatsApp, and I can tell you that we have a lot of questions about menstrual cups that you are going to discover and actually answer them in today's session. So feel welcomed to the period man, and I want to assure you that the few minutes we're going to have together is going to be a great session. So now, as I'm going to begin, it's my good hope that today the session we are going to have actually is something that you've heard about in your time, in your life. You've heard about menstrual cups. I know of people who are using menstrual cups, of companies that are selling menstrual cups. Welcome today. We are going to get those linkages. I've been having questions, where do I get this menstrual cup when I want them? So today is the time that you're going to share heavily. So imagine you have a girl, a neighbor, or even a girl inside your house. During this pandemic, then immediately government announces for a curfew, or let's say a lockdown. It's 7 p.m., government announces for a lockdown. Then few moments later, the girl in your household starts her periods. And remember, you don't have a sanitary pad in store. What would you do? As a father? Well, definitely, it is a difficult moment for you as a parent when something happens that it puts you at risk of going out of your house just to get menstrual hygiene commodity for your 14-year-old girl. How about if you had confidence that you have a menstrual cup with you in the house? Would things be different? Definitely. So today, our discussion is going to revolve around menstrual cup. What it is, how it is used, how it is worn, where you can get it, and is it safe or not? So, this is what we're talking about. A menstrual cup. This is what we're talking about. Well, you see, it has, they come in different colors. So if somebody wants to know what a menstrual cup is, in shortest definition, I would simply say that these are cup-like substances that are used to collect menstrual blood. Okay? They come in different sizes and different colors and different shapes. You can see the ones I'm having, these are from Fun Factory. They are dome-shaped. We have some that are cylindrical, some are straight, like we've seen the Ruby cups. I can see my friend Alfred Muli is online and is watching this show. Welcome so much, Alfred, and pleasure having you in this session. I hope you'll be sharing with the people here about the Ruby cups and how they can access them easily. So these are the menstrual cups. When you get them from the shop, the first thing you'd want to do is boil them for some few minutes. And with me, I have a sufuria. Now, this sufuria is not that one that you use to cook your eggs. No, this is specifically for boiling your menstrual cups, just to make sure that they are sterilized and they're safe for use. I have its lid. It's just normal. When you're boiling something, you just need to cover it up. So remember, when you're buying the cup, it comes with its bag. Okay, this is an antibacterial bag for this fun factory. It is important that you don't throw it away, because you'll be using it to keep as time goes by. So now, I've come from shop, I have my menstrual cups with me. I'll simply boil them, put in my sufuria, and add some water. Okay? I'll add some water. Then, I will boil them. I wish I would have come with my guest cooker here and just show you, or I would rather go to the kitchen and show you how I'm boiling the menstrual cups. But the gist of it is that you need to boil for about 3 to 5 minutes, just to make sure they're safe, as for the first time when you're using them. Once your period is ready, you're feeling that you want to begin your menstruation at that particular month, then it is important to just sterilize it again, either through putting in the hot water, so that at least the germs and the bacteria that might be around will be killed. Then, the next step someone would ask is then, how do we wear this cup? Okay? So now, it's simple. There are about 3 to 4 methods of wearing a menstrual cup. The first one is what we call C-fold. C-fold is simply, you put it like this, you pinch, then you fold. This is called a C-fold. Okay? The second method is a 7-fold. Well, how does a 7-fold look like? You simply do this way, then pull one edge towards the bottom, and then you have something like this. Okay? The last that I want to share today, and easiest, is simply a pull down technique. From one end, you pull towards the back, towards the bottom, and then you'll have something small like this. Okay? Now, when you get to a good position that you are rightly comfortable, it can either be a squat, okay, or one leg on top. Okay, getting what I mean? One leg on top, or lala kichali. Then you can see it's a very small fold. Now, because I don't have a V model, I will use my finger. Okay, this is the hole, the vagina hole. Then I'll simply insert my menstrual cup. Okay, simply insert my menstrual cup. When it gets in, it pops. Hope you heard the voice. Okay. Now, in this cup, just to make sure it settles the right way, you can simply twist kidogo kama hujasikia ikipop, but just to make it stick. In your menstrual cup, there are some holes right on top here. So these holes are very important to make sure that the menstrual cup sticks around the wall and does not allow blood to seep in between the cup and the body. So now, the blood collects inside here. And for today, we'll assume that this is the blood. Okay? Though it doesn't, it will give you, but we'll assume that this is the blood going to my cup. Okay? Good thing about the menstrual cup is that it can last up to 10 or even 12 hours. From morning when you wear it, up to evening when you're going to sleep. Now, the good thing about this is that it is 4 to 8 times better than a tampon. Okay, one tampon, we can say that a menstrual cup can hold up to what 8 tampons can. So imagine how much you're going to save on the same. Now, you want to remove your cup. You simply get to a safe place. You can say maybe a toilet or absolutely your safe space. Then you squat and push gently. Remember, it is not as difficult as people think. Well, at least from the experience and from the sharing that I've been having with people who have been using it, it is not as difficult as you think. So you simply pinch this bottom side, okay? You pinch, then pull gently. Remember, the vagina is slippery, so it is going to come out easily. Pull gently, pull gently, pull gently, and there you have your menstrual cup with blood inside. Simply pour, then rinse with clean water. Okay? Rinse with clean water and pour. Okay? Now, you'll realize that there's some stains. There could be stains outside. It is also possible that you just rinse with clean water all around. Okay? Now, would my producer help me with a tissue? Some tissue. I want to demonstrate something using a tissue here. Now, we've just washed our cup with clean water, and it is safe for insertion. Okay? If you don't have access to clean water, then you can simply use a tissue to wipe. Okay? Simply wipe using a tissue. Wipe using a tissue. Okay? Then, when you get home, you wash it the right way, then insert. Remember, while you are putting this on the bag, you are inserting this other one. So it's good to have two, so that you have something to work with when difficult times come. Now, up to there, we've learned what the menstrual cup is, how you can insert, how you can remove, how you can sterilize by boiling, how you can wipe by using tissue. Questions that I've been getting is, can a virgin use a menstrual cup? That's a very genuine question. Now, it's important to note that these are options that we give to women. It's not about sanitary pad. It's not about individual menstrual product. But these are options. A girl goes for a product that suits her best, that she feels comfortable wearing. So, to answer some of your questions, today I told you that I'll be coming with an expert, someone who has been using menstrual cup for 36 months. Did you hear that? Over 36 months, someone has been using menstrual cup. For the last 36 months, she has not spent a single coin in buying a menstrual cup. So, stay with me as we welcome the power girl herself, Rebecca.